Suppose that you drive the 10 kilometers from your school to home in 20 minutes. Calculate your average speed. In kilometers per hour, we need to find the average speed. First, start with the given values. Distance is 10 kilometers, and the time, T, is 20 minutes. Because it is in minutes and part A is asking in kilometers per hour, we need to convert minutes to hour. We write 1/1 ratio, so 1 hour over 60 minutes. 1 hour over 60 minutes. And after the simplification, minute, and H hour is the surviving unit here. It is 1/3 of an hour, 1/3 hours. So now average speed is distance traveled by time. Therefore, speed is distance over time, and 10 kilometers over 1/3 hours. That gives us 30 kilometers per hour. That's A. Part B. In part B, we need to give our answer in meters per second. That means E equal 10 kilometers. Now we need to write this one in meters, so this is 1 kilometer here, and 1 kilometer is in meter, 1,000 meter. That's going to be, after the simplification, 10,000 meter. That's distance. Similarly, time is 20 minutes. Because it is meter per second, so we need to write minute in seconds. Minute, 1 minute. Every minute we have 60 seconds. Minute cancels, and then second is the surviving unit. 20 times 60, 1,200 seconds. Now we write V equal D over T, 10,000 meter over 1,200 seconds. So now using a calculator, 10,000 over 1,200, it is 20 minutes has 3 significant figures, 10 kilometers has 3 significant figures, so we are going to keep 3 significant figures. 8.33 meter per second. These are our final answers.